This is the number one mistake I see a lot of YouTubers make, guys. A lot of YouTubers make. Now, the reason why you guys are going to want to watch this video all the way to the end is because I'm not only going to be answering your question about the number one mistake that majority YouTubers make, but I'm going to give you guys a little insight real quick on exactly who I am and why you should even listen to me. So, number one, I am Anthony with Brandnewflix. Guys, I've helped create content for hundreds and hundreds of business owners, right? I have worked with different companies, right? As far as management companies, right? Ad companies, literally B2B business owners, right? We have master barbers I've worked with. We have comedians I've worked with. We have real estate moguls that I have worked with, right? We even have companies like Lululemon that I have shot for, right? So, guys, when it comes to video, I've been in the space of video for a very, very, very long time. I literally even went to college for film, right? So in today's video, guys, we're going to be talking to you about the number one thing I see most YouTubers mess up, right? So I'm taking this off of my last video, guys. I'm going to be trying to give you videos literally every single day of the week. If you go through my channel right now, you're going to see a lot of different things as far as just vlogs and just film tips and tricks, right? And the little once in a while reactions of other people's videos. But right now I'm trying to focus on literally just helping you guys, bring you guys the most value in whatever way I can. We might even start another channel that's revolved literally around money. So, guys, I just made a video on how to gain thousands of subscribers on YouTube Shorts, right? Using YouTube Shorts. That's literally what I'm showing you guys how to do in this video. It's only 5 minutes. Once you guys watch this video all the way to the end and learn what the biggest mistake is that you're making right now as a new YouTuber, then you guys can move to this video and use it to grow your channel even more. So right here, we had someone literally respond an hour ago. He only has 6 subscribers. He's a new channel. He said, just started a channel. I have 3 shorts that have reached 400 plus views, then others barely get any. He said, I know I'm not the best creator, so I'll keep perfecting and keep grinding, right? So, guys, number one thing is obviously you do not want to get discouraged. If you guys get discouraged on YouTube, if you guys are not consistent, it's not going to work regardless of what strategy you're using, even if you have the right strategy. So let's keep that in mind, right? Then number two, right? Number two, guys, if we go to the YouTube homepage, for me, everybody's homepage is going to be different. I'm following different people that talk about different stuff. You see I got some Alex Hormozy stuff. You see I got some credit stuff. You see I got some music artists here. You see I got some car content with Quan, right? So when you guys are looking at your explore page, guys, there's going to be some things off that you guys are not going to be doing as new channels, right? The number one thing you're not doing right now is you're not using thumbnails with your face in it. If that's you right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button or make sure you hit the like on this video so I know I'm actually reaching people, talking to people who might be starting new channels. But guys, if you're struggling right now, the number one thing you're probably not doing on your videos is not using faces and thumbnails. Let's go ahead and start with the first one, which is an ad. Face. Second one, my boy Shu from overseas. Face. Third one, ads, face. Fourth one, ads, face, face. Boom, we have 1. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and count for you guys real quick. 3, that's 6, right? And I guess, I don't know if we have another 6. Let me see. We have another 6, right? So, boom, right there, you have 12, right? You have 12 thumbnails. Out of those 12 thumbnails, only 2 of those thumbnails don't have someone's face, and they're both ads, right? So they can kind of get away with that. But literally, oh no, not 2, I'm sorry, 3, because this thing says Trap House Museum is a scam, right? That doesn't have a face on it either, right? So literally out of 12 thumbnails, guys, we have 3 that don't have a face. So now let's move into the shorts, right? Because you guys are going to be watching the shorts video literally after this video is complete. When you guys go to your shorts tab, right? And you guys can check this on your own because everybody's homepage for YouTube is going to be different. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 9 different thumbnails. Out of the 9 thumbnails, 1, 2, 3 don't have faces. And really, we can just say 2 because that one that has a video game is a video game, right? Usually in video games, you don't have to show your face. You're showing the game. And then we have this one right here on fix copyright claims. You literally see his face after you put your, finger on the video. And then we have another one that is a weapon, right? So even there, we still have a high percentage of faces on thumbnails, right? Guys, this is something that even I forget to do sometimes, guys. So I'm just letting you know right now in this video, the number one habit you can change, right? And if you guys stay to the end, I'm going to be adding some more sauce into this video. As a new YouTuber, is you're going to want to add your face to thumbnails, right? Even things when things don't add up. This guy right here, he says how to start trading with $100, life of a trader. He's smoking in his car, right? But he's trying to teach you about finances. So those two don't mix, but he has his face in the video. So he's doing something right. He has 18,000 views in the last 3 days, literally 120 views per hour. So guys, this guy is doing something right. This guy, I quit this video game to be a monk. I mean, I quit being a monk to play this video game. He has his face, even though he has a side of his face, he has his face. Third one, this is a perfect one. This dude is showing you how to delete all items using AI for your credit, right? This guy also is showing his face. Even with a mask on, this guy is showing his face on this platform. Then we have someone I love to watch, Mac Mullah Vlogs. Y'all, you can learn a lot from Mac Mullah. Mac Mullah breaks down a lot of things on a 5th grade level, right? He's super underestimated. This is not a paid advertisement for him, but y'all see he has his face in his video. So guys, right now, when you get out of this video, when you create your next, let's say 5 videos, you create your next 5 videos, make sure you have your face on the thumbnail, okay? If you're paying someone to do these thumbnails, make sure they're using your face in the thumbnail. If you have to get in front of a camera, literally with a blank wall, you can do it on your iPhone, right? Quick little tip to pull out your iPhone, go up against a blank wall and take pictures, multiple pictures of yourself doing different expressions. Even if you have the same t-shirt on, if you want to change your t-shirt, you can change your t-shirt. But guys, you're going to need your face in these videos, right? The only time I could say it'll be okay is if, number one, you forget, but you shouldn't be forgetting because you just watched this video. But number 2 is going to be you have something that is not like where faces are being used. So if you're playing a video game and your video game doesn't have people, like how this RuneScape thing popped up, or maybe you're playing League of Legends, or you're playing some crazy game like Roblox, maybe you might have, or Minecraft, you might have those characters in the game on your thumbnail instead of your actual face on the thumbnail. But guys, new tip coming to y'all hot. I'm gonna be dropping more and more tips literally every single day. If you watch this video to the end, I have a free school community where you guys can learn more tips and tricks like this, one-on-one videos that are only for my community, guys. Only for my community. That is going to be closing at 100 members though. And you guys can go in there and you guys can learn a lot about YouTube. You guys can connect with other YouTubers. You guys can grow your channel, man. So like I said, man, this is coming to an end on the video. You guys make sure you go into my next video so you can figure out exactly how to use YouTube Shorts to grow your channel and to reach monetization, man. Peace.